Welcome back, boys and girls, to another fabulous story on Fun Story Factory. Today we're reading The Lollipop Fairy by Jana M. Anderson, and it's all about little children that receive a lollipop on the day before their birthday, and it's meant to be a tradition. So I'm very excited to read this. Are we all ready to sit down and listen? Okay, shall we begin? So I'm going to read what the birthday tradition is. Number 1, lollipop seed arrives. Number 2, you read the story together. Number 3, you plant the seed by midnight. And number 4, you wake up to a lollipop garden on your birthday. Doesn't that sound like fun? Shall we see what happens? In all the world, there is no one like you. You are dearly loved all year through. But tomorrow is your special day. That one moment in the year we call your birthday. A day that is all about you. A day that tells us how much you grew. So with excitement, we say, the Lollipop Fairy is on her way to help you celebrate her favourite day. Your birthday. Is it your birthday today? Was it yours this week? Did you get a lollipop? Did you get nice presents? Shall we carry on? The lollipop seeds have arrived for you to plant far and wide. 1 seed per year makes each lollipop appear. Sow your seeds, get ready for bed, and dream about your day ahead. Sleep well, sleep tight. Tomorrow you will awake to a lollipop delight. Who doesn't love lollipops? Are you turning 1, 2, 3 or 4? There is always one more lollipop than the year before. 5, 6, 7 or 8. So many sweet, delicious lollipops. I can hardly wait. Whether they are red, yellow, orange or blue, or a colourful swirl of more than 2. Each one means another year here. Happy birthday! And one more reason for all of us to cheer. Yay! Everyone's very excited and happy for birthdays, aren't they? Enjoy your sugar swirls. Enjoy your special day. Goodbye, Lollipop Fairy. One more year until you are back this way. 364 days later. The Lollipop Fairy tradition in our home over the years. So the author has given lollipops to her children over the years, and she said they are the greatest joy and sweetness in her life, and I'm sure you are too for your parents. So how about everyone go and get a lollipop for their birthday? Wasn't that lovely? And a delicious book. It looks yummy enough to eat. Bye-bye for now, and see you very soon again on Fun Story Factory. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and maybe watch many other books on my wonderful channel. See you soon. Take care.